At our class, and you are welcome to view this video. Our lesson today will talk about simple equations. As you can see what I am sharing there. As a way of introduction, this video will be concerned with simple mathematical sentences. In particular, we will learn how to change one mathematical sentence to an equivalent mathematical sentence. In the lesson, we are also going to learn about open sentences, which in mathematics we call them equations. We'll go ahead and solve this equation using the method of trial and error. You can see what I am sharing on the screen. Think of these mathematical statements. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. These statements are examples of true sentences. This is because the numerals on both sides of the equation sign represent the same number. If you think of the statement 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, simple addition rule, the left-hand side will simplify to 3, which actually is what we have on the right-hand side. If we think of the statement 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, the left-hand side would simplify to 5, which is what we have on the right-hand side. Think of the following sentences which I also have in the screen, on the screen. X plus 2 is equal to 3. X plus 5 is equal to 8. And x plus 7 is equal to 12. These are examples of open sentences. And in mathematics, we call them equations. This is true because we do not know the value of x, which will satisfy the equation. In other words, we do not know the value of x such that the left-hand side will simplify to what we have on the right-hand side. Now, let's think of the last equation which we have there. X plus 7 is equal to 12. The question we are asking is the sentence mathematical sentence true if x is equal to 3. If we put x to equal to 3, the left-hand side will simplify to 10. But what we have on the right-hand side is 12. Hence, x cannot be equal to 3. And suppose x is equal to 5. If x is equal to 5, you'll find that x plus 7 is equal to 12. And that is what we have on the right hand side. Hence, if you had thought x could be equal to 8, the left hand side would simplify to 15, which is not equal to 12. Hence, the mathematical sentence is not true. Therefore, we say x is equal to 5 and 5 is the solution of the equation. When we have found the solution of the equation, we say that we have solved the equation. I want you to do this exercise using trial and error method. Solve the following equations. So the following equations was 3x plus 2 equals 3, x plus 6 equals 9, and x plus 9 equals 13. That is the end of our lesson today. In our next lesson, we are going to look at how to solve equations by trying to look at what we can put on the left hand side so that it can be equal to the right hand side. In other words, whatever we do on the left hand side, we must also do on the right hand side. And thank you very much for listening to me